My name's Martin Fletcher. I'm in partnership here with Alec Mantica as Tower Garage Marlow Limited. The original Tower Garage was established in 1957 and was moved down to here in 2003 in Marlow. We work on all makes and models of cars. We do classic car restorations, MOT testing, all diagnostics and light commercial vehicle repairs.
What was the biggest frustration you had before working with TechMan?
Keeping track of everything. Parts, diary, pen and paper, it was rubbish.
What made you choose TechMan over other garage management systems?
I looked at probably 3 or 4 others, and one of the representatives, Leo, came down and demonstrated TechMan to us, and it seemed okay, so we gave it a shot. I think he offered us some kind of trial to run it alongside what we were previously using, and it worked fine, so we stayed with it.
Which integrations do you use and why are they important to your work?
We use auto data, ordering parts. Apart from that, I don't think we use any of the others, but they're there if we need them.
How has TechMan improved your day-to-day operation?
It's so easy. Signing parts to job cards, making sure that parts that are not used are returned, everything.
How has TechMan changed the way your front office or reception team handles bookings and inquiries?
Just 100% efficient. From the telephone call, with the telephone integration onto TechMan, where it comes up straight into the person's details, their customer history, car history, perfect.
How do you find TechMan's customer support and ongoing assistance?
Yeah, first class, 100%. We phone them up, they answer the phone every time, no problem at all, and if they haven't got the answer, they come back to you.
Would you recommend TechMan to other garage owners and why?
Not within a 10-mile radius of our garage, because I don't want anybody to be as efficient as we are.
If you're facing challenges similar to those our customers faced before, get in touch with us today. Just click the link below to book your demo and see how TechMan can transform your garage.